is our breakfast in Kun Hotel. Got these omelets, coffee, cashew bread. Hello guys, today we're on our way to the port for island hopping. Kind of lumipat kami. Hi kayo kuya. Ako, muntik pa tayo pa. Hey guys, we're here right now in Overlap Travel and Tours for our island hopping tour. Yung tutorial is minute na. So, buti na lang we have our visual time.
Not sponsored.
Not sponsored. Have anything to say? It's a Philippines. Goodbye. With your hat, and we have a life vest, so we're safe, and hopefully weather is good, right?
I think weather is good.
Huh?
I think weather is good.
Okay, she thinks weather is good, so it's probably
Good.
yes. See you later when we're moving. Miss. Hi. This one is Big Island.
Hawak na hawak sa shade.
Sorry guys, story birds eh, baka mahulog. Guys, story birds. Okay po, subukod ang aming take sa... Grabe.
Yan ang adventure. Grabe. Ano?
Hi.
Kaya dito lang ako maharap kasi... Ang saya? Ang saya, si kuya. Masaya. Kalma lang kuya. Saya talaga.
Saya. Gilaw. Dapat jacket pala sa dito. Mali outfit ko. May butas-butas ko.
Ayun po ma'am. Yun!
Alright.
Comment to sa inyo ma'am. Sir, see you tomorrow na lang po.
Look at this view. Grabe naman. Ikaw na mag-paddle. Video mo na ako. Lingon ka muna. Hi! We're in Big Lagoon. Papasok kami ng Big Lagoon. Sasagwan muna ako guys. Bye!
Kanina pa ako nagsasagwan, siya nagva-vlog. Anong klase yun? Sabi niya Disney princess lang ako. Sobrang ganda guys. Look. Wow! So nice! Uy, sa tayo papunta pa mo? Pa-Manila ka na eh. Pagod na yung nagsasagwan. Walang upper body to.
Ayun.
Uy, ang ganda. It's so nice. Ano nakita niyo? Magsasagwan na ako. Kawawa naman to. Sige, bye. Grabe. It's so nice. Hi, baby. Hi, kids.
Hi kids!
It's your mom and dad. Hello, ang cute. We're at El Nido. So nice. Lalaki nga oh. Dapat. Nice fix. Ganda lang sa'yo kasi nasa dulo ka. Ay, nice naman yung akin. Cutie patootie. Papasok daw kami sa tunnel. Hindi ko alam kung anong gagawin namin doon. Basta papasok daw kami doon. Ito yung hinahanap-hanap namin. Like, yeah. Kaya sabi ko, bitin. Kasi,
Hindi pa kami nakaranas ng ganito.
Yeah.
Pero ngayon, parang close na.
tingnan natin ang driving skills ni Edem. Cebu. Oy, 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 oy. Yan. In his model era.
Ito sa akin sa picture.
Ayan, nagpa-picture siya. Ito ba't hindi makita? Ayan.
Hindi na rin sa akin yan.
With Kuya. Thank you, Kuya.
We are done at the Big Lagoon. Theater's break. And now we're going to Secret Lagoon. Oh, we're not going to Secret Lagoon anymore since delikado daw sa waves.
Secret lang.
No Secret Lagoon.
Okay. Yan yata yung papasok sa boat.
Now we're going to lunch. And nakishare kami ng table kasi dalawa lang
Ako
kami.
ng project.
Okay.
May ibang issue.
Ang puti ng sun, guys. Really at, I don't know, sabi lang nila lunch
Lunch
area.
area.
Ang puti ng sun. Yeah, sobrang pinit talaga. As in. Grabe, parang peke. There's snorkeling area, so we're going there. We have our snorkels. Sana naman makita kami para masaya si Pete.
And then, si Car.
Okay lang.
Sana hindi umitim.
Ito na pala yung pangalan, guys. We're at Entalula Island.
Wait na po, sir.
Ang ganda mo naman. Ang ganda mo naman. My island girl. We're down to our last stop. Oh, this car is non-verbal right now, so ako na lang magsasalita.
At 7 Commanders?
So yan, nagpapaalam lang kami dito. Hi kids, it's your mom and dad. I hope you guys are well. And I hope di matigas ulo nun. Awa naman kayo sa amin.
Sino kaya strict to?
Feeling ko ako.
Feeling mo ikaw?
Ewan ko rin.
Ngayon?
Ngayon, sa ngayon,
Bakit?
feeling ko ako.
Meron na magalit tatay niya. Pero hindi sa akin, subukan niya lang talaga. Sige, mo.
Bye!
Pakabait kayo.
Umsim.
Alam kaya nila Omsim na to?
Hindi na. Ano na sa kanila ngayon? Skibidi Toilet Rig, Sigma Riz, Mewing.
Ay, okay.
Bye-bye. It's a very fun day. You agree? Very tiring.
Ano nangyari? The Big Lagoon, yun talaga.
Big Lagoon yung talagang, that's the Palawan experience
Yeah.
talaga. And this one is like a
The
chill swim vibe, which is nice.
Fortunately, we weren't able to go to Secret Lagoon,
Yeah.
but it's okay.
And no snorkeling as well, but it's okay, it's understandable. May pabalikan pa kami sa El Nido, or maybe Coron, or maybe, I don't know. Actually, ngayon pala kami pupunta Puerto Princesa at 6 p.m. We're gonna travel and hopefully we can order Trattoria El Nido kasi really good pizza daw. Yan. Say bye! Ang ulan ay hindi nakakalimot. Isang basa na kami guys.
6 hours later.
Good evening guys. Now here at Utah. Kasi yung biyahe natin kasi tayo na yung last pick up niya. Kaya fast siguro. Yeah, we're here at the hotel. Really nice lobby. Cute.